Well, I'm not much of a drinker, and I wish I was, because I used to drink a lot when I was younger. And I think for some reason or another, God said, that's enough, and cut me off at a certain age. But every once in a while, when I find that drink that I really like, such as just at the beginning of spring, there's a famous barbecue place in Houston called Pinkerton's, and actually went to the one that just opened here in San Antonio. And I found this kind of what I thought was a margarita, watered down margarita style drink, which they call ranch water. And I was like, you know what, that's pretty cool. Let me try that. My wife went in, the bartender said, you know what, this is new. Why don't you go ahead and see if she likes it? So once I tried it, I was like hooked. So I thought, why not introduce it to some of the folks that I have out there that are on this actually webinar, and kick off. And here in San Antonio, we do a fiesta, and it's like a 2-week celebration of food and beverage. And so for me, it was like, I have a couple of things that we're launching in HEB that in our Latin cheeses. And with this drink, I thought, you know what, that's a great combination to kick off the summer. And this is so refreshing. So I'm going to introduce you to this, one of my favorite drinks today. So I did use the bottle of Teremana tequila. This is Dwayne Johnson's tequila. It's actually one of those celebrity tequilas that are out and about right now. Terra means earth, and Mana means spirit. So, he's a Pacific Islander. And so it's like the spirit of the earth. And so I thought that to be interesting. And these go for about $31, $35 a bottle. And I love it. It's 100% agave. It comes from Mexico, of course. And so I use this in the ranch water. Along with that, HEB launched its 1877 mineral water. And this is in also like the Topo Chico water. So we wanted to do our own. And this is actually tapped from a spring in Mineral Wells, Texas. So I thought, why not? Let's use it. It's really cool. I'm a Texan. So I thought that we should go ahead and make it with this. Very easy. Like I said, this is a watered down margarita. So if you don't like the so much sweet and sourness of the margarita, but more of a crisp, fresh on your palate, this is the way to go with the tequila. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make this. Super, super easy. Kind of open up the bottle. Actually, I have one already open. And all I'm going to do here is you're gonna kind of like take off just a little bit or sip a little bit of this mineral water and then you're gonna add a little bit of the your shot of tequila. So I got a little shot glass here. I'm not gonna put like 2 shots, I'm gonna put 1. And with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and top this off so I can make some room. So all I'm gonna do is make sure that I put my little shot of tequila right in. Go ahead, and I have some candied jalapenos, sugared candy jalapenos, and I'm going to stick one of those in there. And hopefully it doesn't over put itself, because the mineral will come up. You see it fizzing, it's really nice. And then I get myself a little bit of lime juice, and then I'm just going to squirt that inside there, make sure to taste. Give it a little bitty shake, not too much because of the fizz, and then it's ready to go. Now, most of these, you can also put it into a highball glass, and that's the way to go, actually, if you want to have some ice. As a matter of fact, I have it in my refrigerator, which you'll see me use the highball glass with some ice, do the same process, and enjoy my drink. So, cheers to y'all.
All right, so tell us about your cheese.
My cheese. So love Mexican cheese, Latin cheese, actually. But these, one of them is 100% Mexican cheese, and which is pretty much exclusive to us at the moment at HEB. It's our Navarro Queso Fresco. And for that is, I'm just making a basic corn salad. I like to usually put a little bit of jicama in it, and also some bean and like black beans. That's the way I like to go, but pretty much it's a basic salad of corn, red pepper, the red onion, and some jalapeno, lime juice, and the queso fresco that we have here from Navarro. Now, many of you know Navarro as being a have other items under their portfolio, and they're a world champion for many of their cheeses. So this one here, I'm sure that actually I have not seen this in any other retailer in the country. There may be some other items in there, but you won't even find this actually on their site at the moment. So we're lucky to have it, and we sell it in our stores. Another one is our Los Altos, Oaxaca. It's Oaxaca Desebrado, which means, or rayado, which means thick shred. And you'll see it, it's a pasta colada style cheese. And it's a cow's milk cheese, and coming out of California. So, you know, much like Point Reyes, the CMAB sponsors these products as well. And so I'm doing that in a little recipe in a cazuela, like a little kind of a fundido recipe, which is easy with oil and some anchos and some guajillo peppers and olive oil, and then just bake it off. And so that's how I'm enjoying my cocktail with some of these summer recipes, easy recipes. And those are the cheeses and the cocktail for today.
Oh, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and you
Really
know, any
nice.
of this, you can have it with these corn chips. I wanted to tell you about them, actually. I don't know if anybody, I know you sell those, the siete, they come out of Austin. So this is kind of my local Texas, you know, flair of recipes and cocktail. And you know me, whenever I can get those Latin cheeses, I will.